Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastav, faculty of BGMC department from Technical Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am delivering the lecture on the topic of principles of bulletin preparations. All your work as broadcast journalist lead ultimately to one thing, the time when your listener hear what you have produced. This can be the news bulletin or a current affairs program. You have to use your on air time effectively. Although we will concentrate in this section on producing bulletins for radio, you can use similar techniques for television. The main differences is that television bulletin also include pictures which have to be coordinated with the script. If you can understand the principles of producing radio bulletins, you can use them for television, adopting them to the style of your particular newsroom. The principles of bulletin preparation. TV bulletins are usually made up from three types of materials: written stories in the form of a script, voice reports from journalists, either recorded or live, and footage. Recorded sound called actuality. This is actuality the sound of someone speaking, perhaps taken from an interview or a speech. A short segment of actuality is called a grab. Grab are used in a similar way to quotes in a newspaper story. In some countries, grabs are called cuts or inserts. The two main factors you have to consider are the overall order or balance of the bulletin and the pace of it. Balance. Try to avoid seeing the bulletin simply as a collection of individual self-contained story. If you put a story of economic stories at the start of the bulletin, you risk losing your listeners' interest. They expect a balance of items, some heavy and some light, some about major political events and some about ordinary people. Of course, the actual mix of stories, their tone and pace of delivery will depend to a degree on the format of your stations. Serious national broadcasters tend to use more serious stories delivered in a more deliberate style, whereas your obtained music stations bulletin might to be lighter and brighter with more story about popular culture. Whatever your station format, your making of stories in ordering the bulletin will give your listeners some indication of how important you consider each story. But there is some freedom within bulletins to reorder stories to add variety and balance to the bulletin as whole. Now second one is pace. You must also get the right pace of stories through your bulletin. By pace, we mean the length and tone of a story as it appears to the listeners. Some stories have a fast pace. The report of a fire, for example, will usually be written in short sentence using short, snappy words to convey simple ideas. It will have a fast pace. By comparison, a story explaining some involved political controversy may need slightly longer sentence with words expressing more complicated ideas. The story itself may need to be slightly longer. The whole effect is one of slower pace. To many, long, complicated stories will slow the pace of the whole bulletin and allow the attention of your listener to wander. To many, short, sharp story may leave its listeners confused, unable to keep up with the pace of changing stories. Your deal bulletin will have a steady pace throughout to maintain interest, with variation in place during certain sections. Slower at time to let your listeners catch their breath, or faster at other time to pick up their lagging interest. How do you achieve balance and pace in practice? You should rank your stories in order of importance, then look at the order afresh to see that you have a good balance of items and variations in pace. So I hope you understand the topic of principles of bulletin preparation. Thank you.